This conference will now be recorded.
So yesterday we went through um, journal voucher, which is called as the adjustment voucher. So, and we did not solve the problems of journal voucher. We did with payment voucher and receipt voucher in the last class. I also explained you about types of bills. Can anyone revise me, give a gist about type of bills? Types of bills? Anyone who have understood the topic? Anyone there? Okay. New reference bill. Good. Yeah, you had taken the problems of journal entries, right? So you can just solve them today. So as I just I explained you yesterday's class, journal voucher is a adjustment voucher where all the adjustments like appreciation, depreciations, receivables, payables. So what are appreciations? Appreciation is good class. You give me such replies as enough. I feel that you are hearing to at least few of them. Okay, so what anything, for example, you buy a land and building and then you buy it for 1 lakh, and when you're maybe in next 5 years it is 2 lakhs, so 1 lakh is your appreciated value. You've bought a machinery for 50,000 and in next 3 years it is 30,000, so 20,000 is your depreciation value. And such adjustments will be done in journal entries, journal voucher. So one of the question here is, I want you to manually solve this first problem. Depreciate furniture 2% whose book value is 20,000. Just manually type them. I mean manually solve this function, solve this problem. Anyone who can put a message on the, I mean, a solved problem? How do you solve this particular first function, depreciate value? Depreciate account, furniture. Yeah. So what happens is I will have a ledger of depreciation account and I will have a ledger of furniture account. So in the furniture account, I will already have 20,000 rupees in there because I have purchased that at 20,000, correct? So automatically the furniture ledger will have 20,000. So when this has 20,000, I am supposed to deduct 2%, that is 400 of the furniture ledger. So automatically my ledger account must show me 19,600. When will it show 19,600? When I have deducted 400 from this particular ledger and I have shown that in the depreciation. So when it goes from furniture ledger to depreciation ledger, only then this becomes 19,600 and shows the depreciation value. So that is why we will be showing only the amount of 400 and we are not giving the values of 20,000 here or 19,600. We are not showing a compound value. We will be only debiting from furniture and crediting it to depreciation. Anyone who has the link, please resend the link. The people who are not able to join, Aishwarya, Disha, I believe. I don't have the previous chats, please. Okay, so we'll do this in the vouchers. F7, journal voucher. So I need to remove it. I need to put that in depreciation account. All C, depreciation account, direct expense. 400. Just give a furniture. So you can see here now it was 18,000. So I bought this for 18,000 in the previous class, correct? So it is automatically deducting 400 of this. So if you have bought this at 20,000, here it would get 20,000 deducted. So as it was 18,000, so 400 got deducted. Here you can see the current balance. And where is this 400 gone? It is done in the depreciation. So it is the adjustment. Here the amount is not going anywhere. It's been adjusted there. Being furniture depreciated. This part clear? Will you be able to do the rest of the problems? Same way, appreciation 3%. How much is 3%? 1,500. Okay. Same way, you will, instead of here, you will give us land and building, and credit you will give us appreciation, because from you in appreciation, you want the value to be added in that particular ledger and not deducted. So that is the reason you will put the land and building in the debit so that it will get added in the ledgers. Do that appreciation, this problem and appreciation problem. So you can also go to the reports, okay, go to the account books. In that you can go to ledgers and see the particular ledgers you can open. See, you can see below 18,000 was there, 400 got credited. This is the remaining value. You can go to depreciation value. See, there you have 400. And then you can go to ICICI Bank, what all the vouchers has been done. So you can go one each one. So one receipt, one payment is done. So the voucher numbers are there, debit, credit, what, through what. So everything in the details. I repeat, gateway of Tally, display more report, enter, account books, ledgers. Okay. Then you can go through the registers because we have already done these contra register, payment register, receipt registers, and the journal register. So it shows you which month. Okay, you need to press space to select that particular. Enter, you can just later I'll tell you why you need to select, like if you want to cancel that or if you want to delete that, you can do that. Now, so one you can open only contras, you can see it in this. All the contra vouchers you've done, you can see it in this. So that's how. Now solve the after those two, and then you can do these functions. Appreciate, transfer of cash. You can do these. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Once done, take a picture of your contra and put it in the group, or else just put one in the chat box. At least 3, 4 of you, and then I can continue with the next one. Any doubts? You'll be able to do the contra journal voucher.
Ma'am, if you don't mind, can you show it again, ma'am?
Okay, you want me to show the same problem or another problem?
Same problem, ma'am.
I'll show appreciation.
Yes.
So appreciation of land and building. I don't have land and building, so I'll just create. In the opening balance is 50,000 because the value of the land and building I've given is 50,000. Give the amount. It's or C appreciation account. So you can see it is added here and taken from appreciation. So see, as it is just adjustments here, here also it is not showing you any red color. Being land and building appreciated. That's it. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, please. Anyone? Any doubts? So just once you are you all done, class? Go with the next topic. Yes, no, class. No, ma'am. Okay, we'll give you 5 more minutes. Finish.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I'll take the next topic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the journal entry for issuing and receiving bills?
Issued a bill. This you just take issued a bill of 10,000 to Bharat investors. You just have to do it cash. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Or you can take as bill receivable, bill payable. Take ledgers, bill receivable, bill payable only.
Okay, ma'am.
Because you don't take cash here.
This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
So location. See, when these were the accounting vouchers, what we came across. Okay. So next you have is the inventory part. So when I say inventory, okay. So when I say inventory, inventory is all about stock. So stock is nothing but inventory. So where the first question comes, where is that you keep your stock? Correct. So go down is the place where you keep your stock, your location. So you might have seen these petty shops, these pawn shops, right? So they do not have go down in sense, but whatever maybe one of the item finishes, he has another packet to refill the particular item. So that is his go down. A go down need not be a shop. A go down need not be an area. It can be anything. Maybe you have go down, you have shop in um, Bangalore one. I can mention a place, maybe Jainagar, and ground floor is your basement. You have your go down, and in the first floor you have your shop. So when I say go down, it need not to be in the same place. It need not to be in your neighbor or somewhere else. It can be anywhere, and you can create here. For example, in one room, you have stationery products. So you deal with pen, pencil, scale, papers, etc., etc., etc. So you can differentiate them with go downs, like in go down 1 you keep all your pen, in go down 2 all your papers, in go down 3 all your um, what maybe some glue materials. So these things you do not have a different go down, but here in Tally you can create them as separate things for your understanding. You need not have a particular room for only keeping pens, a room to keep only your papers, or a glue to keep your glues, but you can differentiate them, saying go down 1, go down 2, go down 3, or first floor, second floor, third floor, or whatever you can name them in your locations, so that you can identify, like, okay, from go down 1 there are 100 pens, in go down 2 there are 100 so and so. So that is how you why that is why we create location to keep our stock. Okay, so I have my location ready to keep my stock. I don't have the stock yet. I have my location ready. How is that? You are supposed to create your locations. Before you create, for example, I gave you an example of a pawn shop. He does not have another place or area to keep, but he has something to refill his items. He has a place to keep the extra stock. So that is his go down. So that is why there is a go down by default created as main location, where it is defaultly created by Tally. Like wherever you keep your stock, that's your go down. You don't have to have a different place for it. Then go down 1, go down 2, so and so is what you create. Take down this class. Then we'll create it. Tally. Go to create. Under this inventory masters, you have go down. Same thing, it is not shown. Go down is not to be seen. Go to show more, enter, show inactive, enter. So it will be seen. If it is not seen, this is what you're you're supposed to do. If this go down is not seen, you need to go to show more, show inactive. It will be seen in case if it is not. You do enter, create. So I'll just create like go down 1, or you can give us um, Bangalore 1, Bangalore 2. So you can see here primarily this is when in like one place only. For example, now in one room, I have divided few racks. Okay, I kept like 4 racks in one room. So one rack is my one product go down. Second rank is my second product go down. Third rank and third rack, and so on. Or one brand go down. So something like that. In that case, what you can do here is you can go here. You can be here. Okay, like Bangalore 2 under Bangalore 1. So now it will be primary. Primary means different places. It can be, it is up to how you have understood. It can be in one room and you can make it separately. If you want that to be under one, then you can use this as well. Then you go to primary. Same way, Bangalore. So you create godowns. I want you to create 5 godowns. 5 godowns.